Andrea and Lauren are 20 kilometers apart. They bike toward one another with Andrea traveling 3 times as fast as Lauren and the distance between them decreasing at a rate of 1 kilometer per minute. After 5 minutes, Andrea stops biking because of a flat tire and waits for Lauren. After how many minutes from the time they started to bike does Lauren reach Andrea? So the scenario is Andrea and Lauren start. This is 20 kilometers apart, and Andrea goes some distance and Lauren goes some distance. So this will be A1, L1, A2, L2. And so the key thing here is the distance between them decreases at a rate of 1 kilometer per minute. And after 5 minutes, that's when Andrea stops biking. So this is when Andrea has stopped. And let's just say L2 is where Lauren is when Andrea stops. So since the rate between them decreases at a kilometer per minute and they go 5 minutes, then this distance has to be 20 minus 5 kilometers, which is 15 kilometers. So when Andrea stops, they're 15 kilometers apart. Another thing we're told is Andrea travels 3 times as fast as Lauren, so we can say Lauren's rate is equal to x, and let's have Andrea's rate equal to 3x. Another thing is, so the distance that Andrea traveled before she stopped plus the distance that Lauren traveled before she stopped is equal to 5 kilometers. Since distance is equal to rate times time, I'm just going to plug in Andrea's rate, which is 3x times the 5 minutes, and then plus Lauren's rate, which is x, times 5 is equal to 5. And we can actually solve for x here. So we get 15x plus 5x is equal to 5. 20x is equal to 5. So therefore x is equal to 5 over 20, which is the same as 1/4. And what that means is, that means that x is equal to, so she travels 1/4 of a kilometer per minute, since I plugged in minutes here. So that means that 3x is, Andrea travels at 3 kilometers per minute. So we're just asked, after how many minutes from the time they started to bike does Lauren reach Andrea? So first, after 5 minutes, they're 15 kilometers apart. So Andrea's going to stop. Andrea's not biking anymore. So I just need to find out the time it takes Lauren to go 15 kilometers. And that time is just going to be her rate, 1/4, times t is equal to the distance, 15 kilometers. So t is going to be equal to, multiply both sides by 4, 60. So 60 minutes. It's going to take Lauren 60 minutes to go 15 kilometers. So therefore, the time overall it's going to take her to reach Andrea is going to be this 5 minutes plus the 60 minutes. That's when the time it's going to take Lauren to reach Andrea after Andrea has stopped. So 60 plus 5 is 65 minutes in total for Lauren. So the answer is choice D.